Good morning, everyone. Today, inshallah, we are going to complete our unit 6. The last lesson today we have is Saudi review. Study tip. When you learn a language, teamwork is important. You can practice, check, and revise work together. Okay, we have A, vocabulary, match, and number. We have 8 vocabularies, 8 words. We are going to match these words with the pictures, okay? First word we have injection. Injection. What does injection means? Injection means a medicine given by needle. Number 2, microphone. Microphone. Microphone is a piece of equipment. We use it to make your voice louder. Number 3, we have receiver. What does receiver mean? Receiver is a piece of or device. We receive signals, wave, to be shown on TV or radio. Number 4, secretary. Secretary. What does secretary mean? Is a person who's employed to do or to help with the routine work, calls, records, and so on. Number 4, we have tablets. What does it mean, tablets? Child of medications. Okay. 6, timekeeper. Timekeeper. What does timekeeper means? A person who measure amount of time or passage of time. Number 7, transmitter. Transmitter. Okay, it's a piece of equipment or it's a device who transmit signals, waves. Last one we have X-ray. What does it mean, X-ray? X-ray means a photograph. Take a photograph of the inside of someone. Okay, so now we are going to match these words with the pictures. Okay, yalla, do it and check your answers. Here, you can check your answers here. So, A with a 3, receiver. B with 7, transmitter. C with 2, microphone. D with 8, X-ray. E with 4, secretary. F with 6, timekeeper. G with 5, tablet. H with 1, injection. Okay, everyone. Next exercise we have B and reading and speaking. B. Take the correct sentence for good teamwork. Say which sentence are wrong sentence and why. Okay? Teamwork is important skill and it's becoming more important all the time. Some rules help a group to achieve its common task and some don't. Can you tell the difference? So we have rules here. We are going to take the correct rules or the correct sentence for good teamwork. Okay? Number 1, listen to other people's opinion politely. Okay? Number 2, make sure new members feel comfortable. Okay? Number 3, don't ask questions during a group work. so no questions. Number 4, look at and listen to the person who's talking. Number 5, share important information with the group. 6, never, okay, change your opinion during the group task. Okay, is this correct or not? Number 7, in group work, always agree with your friends, only with your friends. Okay? What do you think? Is it correct? It's funny to be annoying during a group task. Okay? To annoy people or your group member. Don't be afraid to say you don't understand. If you don't understand a point, it's okay. You can say, I don't understand this point. What do you think? Is it correct point or correct rule? Let people who speak well speak the most. Okay, just because he speak well, he will speak all the time. Is it correct or not? Okay. So, number 1, what do you think? Listen to other people's opinion politely. Okay. Make sure new members feel comfortable. Number 3, don't ask questions during the group. I think this is no. We're not going to take this because it's wrong. It's okay. We can ask questions. Number 4, look at and listen to person who's talking. Yes, we're going to take this. Share important information with the group. Yes, we are going to take this. Never change your opinion during a group task. It's okay, we can change our opinion, so we're not going to take this. In a group work, always agree with your friend. No, we're not going to take this because it's wrong. Not because just he's your friend, you agree with him. It's okay, you can disagree with your friends. It's funny to be annoying. It's not funny at all to be annoying all the time during the group task. So, no, we are not going to tick this. Don't be afraid to say you don't understand. It's okay, you can ask questions. Ask your group members to explain points for you. So, don't be afraid. Let people who speak well speak the most. Everyone has the right to speak, okay? So, not good speaker people only who speak. So, everyone has the right to speak. So, no. Okay? Check your answers, please. Okay. Okay, everyone. So, we have a grammar study now. So, we have talked before about this grammar. It's second conditional if. Okay? We use second conditional when we think something is possible but not probable. Okay? Something not real or not probable, okay? This boy plays a lot of football. The father wants his son to study and get better marks, okay? Then he said what? Your marks are not very good. If you studied more and play less football, you would do better. Yes, Dad. So, again, if you studied So studied is the past form of verb study. So if you studied is the past form of verb study. More and played. Played also the past form of verb play. Less football, you would. Would is the past form of verb will. You would do better. Yes, Dad. Okay? In second conditional, we form it like this. If, past simple, would, base form of the verb. So, if you studied, past simple of verb study, you would do better. Okay? You would do, the base form of the verb. Okay? So, for example, if I got, the past form of verb get, or the second form, if I got up early, I would get to school on time. Okay? And in second conditional, as we said before, we have if, past form of the verb would, then the base form of the verb. Okay? If I were rich, I would travel around the world. We use if past would and base form of the verb to talk about an or not probable or hypothetical situation and its consequence. Okay? Okay, that's it. Now we have C grammar. Complete these tag questions. Now, let's move to tag questions. As we said yesterday or before, complete the tag question. Tag questions is small questions come at the end of the sentence. Okay? Usually, if the main clause or the main sentence is positive, the tag question will be negative. Okay? And if the main clause or main sentence is negative, the tag question will be positive. Okay? And we use the same auxiliary verb or helping verb will and the pronoun, just we switch it and we add the negative if it's positive. Okay? So we're going to read the sentences, then we are going to answer. The program will start soon. So this is positive. We need a negative tag question. Number 2, the match is taking place now. So also this is a positive clause. So we need a negative tag question. Number 3, the reporter hasn't started to speak. So this is negative. So we need a positive tag question. You do want my team to win. This is positive. I can finish my homework after the match. So also this is a positive. The score wasn't 5 goals to 2. 5 goals to 2. So this is negative clause. Okay? We're going to listen, then answer.
Lesson 4, Saudi Review, Track 29, Exercise D. Listening. Check your work. 1,
Program will start soon, won't it?
2. The match is taking place now, isn't it? 3,
Reporter hasn't started to speak, has he?
4. You do want my team to win, don't you? 5,
I can finish my homework after the match, can't I?
6. The score wasn't 5 goals to 2, was it?
Now we're going to check the answers and listen again to the recording. Please listen again.
Lesson 4. Saudi Review. Track 29. Exercise D. Listening. Check your work. 1,
The programme will start soon, won't it?
2. The match is taking place now, isn't it? 3,
The reporter hasn't started to speak, has he?
4. You do want my team to win, don't you? 5,
I can finish my homework after the match, can't I?
6. The score wasn't 5 goals to 2, was it?
Okay. Okay, girls. So, please listen again and check your work. Then say the sentences in exercise E, speaking. Say the sentences from the exercise D to your partner. And F, we have a writing. Write second conditional sentences for each pictures in your notebook. Please look at the pictures and try to make sentences for each one. Okay, so in picture 1, we have work, the verb work, together, finish, task. Okay, so remember in second conditional, we use the second form of the verb and we use would before the second verb and the base form of the second verb. So, worked and would finish. So, the answer will be if they worked together, they, you can complete it, the sentence with would. Okay? In number 2, listen, the verb listen, agree with others. Okay? We have verb 1 listen, the verb 2 agree. Okay? In sentence or picture 3, we have help as the first verb, each other, the second verb we have here, finish. Okay? Number 4, solve the problem, look down. Look at this boy, he can't or he did not look down. Okay? Number 5, talk quietly, not be frightened. Okay? Talk quietly, not be frightened. So we have talk and not be. Okay? So please do it. Then we're going to check the answers together. Okay, now we'll check the answers. And number 1. So, work together, finish tasks. So, if they worked, the first verb, together, they would finish. They would finish the task. Okay, in picture 2, okay, look at the picture, she's not listening. So if she listened, she would agree with the others. But she's not. So she would agree with the others. Okay? So we make this verb as a past form of the verb listen. Listen, listen. And she would agree. Okay? In picture 3, help each other, finish soon. So they are not helping or they are not helpful. So if they helped each other, they would finish. They would finish soon. Okay? And number 4, he would solve the problem. How? If he looked down. He's not looking down. So, if he looked down, he would solve the problem. Or we can say he would solve the problem if he looked down. Okay? And picture 5, talk quietly, not be frightened. Okay? So, if she talked is the past form of verb talk. If she talked quietly, they would not. We have not here. So they would not be frightened. Okay? So in the second conditional, remember to make the verb 1 past simple, then we add would to the second verb. Okay, so if they worked, they would finish. If she listened, they would agree. If they helped each other, they would finish. Here, if he looked down, he would solve the problem, or he would solve the problem if he looked down. We can switch the sentence. If she talked quietly, they wouldn't be frightened. Okay, everyone. So now we can check the answers here. That's it. Thank you for watching.